Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Taste of Teranga. So today we're making easy oven baked chicken with potatoes and onions. I already mixed all my ingredients. Now I'm going to add some salt, black pepper, all the by rub, good for chicken and fish, like this, lemon pepper seasoning, crushed red pepper, and some cayenne pepper. Now I'm going to add some oil. I spread it all over the ingredients like this. It's time to mix all together and set it for a couple minutes. Guys, it's time to put it in the oven set to 400 degrees and let it bake for about 55 minutes. See you guys. If y'all see this, you know what time it is. I'm serving. Here is our easy oven baked chicken with potatoes and onions. Easy for a quick dinner, juicy and flavorful. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Bye.